Hi, in this tutorial I'll continue with creating this vector graphic. If you missed the first part of the tutorial, I'm going to put a link on the video. Also visit my channel to learn Inkscape with me. And something I missed in the last tutorial, as you can see here, these colors should be, this one should be the darkest, this one will remain the same, and this one will be the brightest one. So I'm going to select this one and use this option, and this one make the brightest color. And I don't think we need this guide anymore, so I'm going to remove it. Now something else, I need to select this and make sure it's on the top, this one on the top with the select and transform tool, and this one on the top. And now with this tool here, select these two nodes and add another one in the middle. Then select this one and make sure we have this symmetric node selected. Then I'll move this over here, holding down the control key. I'll expand this handle and move it over here a little bit to the side. Then I'll select this one, again two nodes. This one makes symmetric, move it over here. And notice that this one I will leave this curve to be in the middle, and here I made it a little bit to the side, and this will create kind of a 3D effect. Let's do this side. Let's move it a little bit to the side. This looks good. Now next thing, I'm going to select this, Control D to duplicate it. Then again with this tool, I'm going to grab these three nodes and move them over here. And to see better, I'm going to select this, click on the fill and stroke, and copy this color, Control C, click here and paste it. Then again with this tool, I'll select only this node, move it over here. Now this one, holding down the control key, doing something like this. Then I'm going to repeat the process with the other ones here. For that, let's select this one more time, move this a little bit more over here. Make this part smaller. Then again Control D to duplicate this, and let's change the color. Select the nodes, move them over here. Select this one, hold down the control key. Then let's do this part. Control D, copy this color, paste it here, select the nodes, let's undo that. We need to select only one of the nodes. And this looks good enough. So I'm going to continue in the next part. Like the video, subscribe. Bye for now.